Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a certificate on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing materials section you can find the certificate option. Just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add picture to your project, click to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload images from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can edit or delete this text. In the font section, you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add object to your project, click to the objects section, and here you can search different objects. For example, you click to the ice cream, you can move this and you can edit the size. If you want to make a very different certificate, you can add the animations and videos to your project. Click to the animation section, and here you can search different animation, and in the video section you can search or upload videos from your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.